Hi. Welcome back to our tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to close multiple windows with just one click. For example, you have opened a lot of documents on your screen, and it takes time to close it one by one. Instead of closing it manually, you can use a Close All Window function. It instantly closes all open windows on your screen. To use this function, go to Toolbar. Then click on Window. On the drop-down list, select Close All. You can now clear your screen easily with this function. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and see you in our next tutorial. Good day.